Cuts and Curves, Subway e Botica na Medic te apresentar. Salud 5 Distança.
While manera nos apriminti nos televidente na nos tinha seria junto com tasa a hora que nana papai mostra dono demonstração de Kiko abo por hasi orgulho que ponto inang demo oficina ko bot no por mas esteria também mostra costan fácil of técnica na hobby fácil ko abo também pa usa pa bosina botre se balance back demo dia.
So often when we're at the office, it's very hard to find time to take out to actually de-stress. And so with the sound wave therapy, you can actually de-stress in a matter of minutes, especially combined with the movements. So what you can do is just go to the website, which is
right here.
Yes, and just download the sound frequencies that are going to balance the brain waves and bring you into a state of clarity and focus and stress relief. On the right hand side of the website is a free download of the Delta Wave Relaxation. Just type in your name and email, push instant download, download the MP3 file, and then you can either play it on the computer or you can put it on, an iPhone or any of the other music listening devices, and you can either use earbuds, if for instance, if people are in the office and you don't want other people to hear the music, you can use your earbuds or just play it in your computer speakers. So let's go ahead and just bring yourself back a little bit so you have space to move your arms. You're gonna take a nice deep breath. You're gonna bring the arms up over the head like so. Breathing in through the nose and taking an extra breath at the top. Breathing up into the ribs, and then on the exhale, breathing out through the mouth. Just letting out a sound, like a vocalized sigh on the
And
exhale.
it's always in through the nose and out through the mouth, right?
Yes, for this particular one, it's in through the nose and out through the mouth. And on the exhale, it's a vocalized sigh, so you can actually hear your breath coming out. Okay, so we'll go up, breathing in. Breathing in extra at the top. And again, nice deep inhale. Good, and even deeper, really deep breath in. Extra breath. And just two more, really exhaling with this sigh. It's like a nice sigh of relief. One more. Stress, and we can do this standing up or sitting down like you're doing. So we're going to go nice deep breath in, and it's very important to release on the exhale through the mouth like that. Yep, deep breath back in. Deep breath. Two more. And another deep breath in. Deep breath inhale. And on the exhale, a nice little sound. One more, just like that. And one more, just feeling that little vibration in the chest on the side.
takes.
So there's one more exercise that you can do. So we're going to bring our hands, clasp them together, bring them over our heads, and then drop the hands down with the elbows up like this, okay? And now we're going to breathe. And this time, instead of like sniffing air in through the nose, we're going to breathe internally. So it's like an internal breath like that, okay? So yeah, and breathing up in.
Right?
I think so. And you're breathing up in through the back of your shoulder blades and the chest, and this helps to release all of that kind of that burdensome energy and that stress that gets stored up there.
Your shoulders go up a little. Your shoulder blades go up a little. while you're
Yes,
doing it.
yes,
Okay,
and we
good.
can actually get the breath up in there, right? So clasping the hands, dropping them down, and taking a nice deep breath, but not through the nose, like sniffing. We're going to breathe internally. And then exhaling, 5 of these. So now that was the deep stress relief, right? To release.
I feel
You
the
do?
difference. Yes.
Yes, that's great. So, and it only took a couple of minutes. See how easy that was?
Yes.
Yeah, so now that was for stress relief and relaxation. Now also, in the office, you can also use a different sound frequency that I've developed, and it takes you into the beta wave. And this is for focus and concentration, because we want to be sharp with the mind, right? When we're coming up and we're doing our decision making, coming up with new solutions and ideas. And so on my website, people can also download and purchase the beta wave, which can be used at work, actually while you're working. You can actually put the earbuds in and actually listen to it while you're working, or put it on your stereo speakers of your computer. So you can use it the entire time, the entire track, 30 minutes at a time. You can use it for like 5 or 10 minutes and then put it away. But the point is that it's bringing the brainwaves into the beta brainwave state, which is where we need to be when we're focusing on the more linear thoughts and the analytical mind.